Hi guys, out on Webbs Heath. Going to give the helicopter a try. There is a bit of a breeze, and as you can see it's dull, but it's not raining, so we're going to go for it. Hat camera. This is the ORSEC that I'm having trouble with anyway, but it's fully charged, so we'll give it a go. I'll just try a bit of a range check. We're all right this far away. Yeah, it's still got some control. So, go for it. That wasn't a good start. Could hand launch if we can't get off the ground. Alright, let's go for a hand launch. Oh dear. Actually broke a blade there. So all the testing at home, and we didn't break a blade. Come out here and we've broken a blade. So I doubt whether we'll be able to fly like that. Not a hope. Too windy. And we've lost a few blades. So, that was interesting from a test point of view, but we do need to print some more blades. Yeah, we probably shouldn't have tried it. There's quite a crosswind. Doesn't really show in the trees because they've got no leaves. But as you saw, it just headed backwards as soon as I launched it. Okay, well we tried it, but we'll have to try it again another day. Well, that didn't quite go as planned. Blades finally broke. Not a problem, as we know I can reprint them. In fact, I have it in mind to try a slightly different design for forming them. And it's actually started raining out there anyway, so I'm glad that I didn't actually get caught out there in the rain. So that was positive too. So yeah, total failure as far as flying outdoors in the field goes, but there was a bit of a wind, so I don't really think it stood much of a chance. Try again another day with a new set of blades. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.